What's up, my people? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're just joining us, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you a proper way to shave your region down there. Alright, so if you prefer to shave, or if you would prefer to use the natural ingredients to gently and easily remove the hair, so those two steps I am going to be showing you in this video. So if you do find this video interesting yet helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's if you are new. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you won't miss any of my videos. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website, and also buy some natural beauty ingredients on my website. The link will be at my comment section. It is pinned down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel. There are tons of videos there, vlogs. I'm sure you're going to be loving that channel too. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. The first ingredients: turmeric powder. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. Its anti-inflammatory property helps to reduce redness from blemishes and calm the skin, while the antibacterial property helps to disinfect the skin and combat acne. And it's also beneficial in removing hair. For this natural hair removal, we're going to be needing half tablespoon. The next ingredients, we're going to be needing alum. Another name for alum is Fitzcarry. It's commonly used for water purification. It's perfect for aftershave treatment, and it prevents bumps. Alum helps to remove unwanted facial, body and pubic hair, and it's perfect in lightening up the dark patches of the skin. And for the alum, I'm gonna be creating it into the turmeric powder, and I'm gonna be doing that real quick. The alum can sometimes be very difficult to create, but you just have to manage and create some few drops. Alright, so this is just gonna be perfect for one use. The next ingredients: tomato. The presence of astringent property in tomato makes it perfect for the skin. It helps to shrink pores, and it helps to lighten up the skin, removing unwanted hair, and it also removes acne, dark spots and pigmentation. It's excellent for the skin because it removes fine lines, fights wrinkles and age-related problems. So I'm going to be creating it. Now I have to do this in circular motion so it can blend as if I'm using a blender. Alright, so here is my treatment, and what you do next is to blend all the treatments all together. Alright, to use this on the pubic area or anywhere, you can just use your brush or you use your hand. You guys can see I don't have hair on my hand, but I'm just illustrating this. Okay, so what you do is just to apply this treatment on those parts you have hair. If you make this treatment, you notice how soft this treatment is. When you apply it on your hairy part of the body, is just going to soften the hair and remove it like quickly, like so quick. All right, so what you're just gonna do is, after you've applied this treatment on those parts in which you have hair, then you're just gonna allow it sit there and now dry up a little bit. Okay, after that you just wash it. Then you just notice that the hair on those parts is just gonna, be melted away, and this is perfect Now if you rather choose to shave, I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, so first of all, you're going to use a spa razor blade. Now if you don't have a spa razor, you can use a good shaving stick. All right, so this is how it is. It comes with a shaving cream, the shaving cream. Okay, so this is how the whole thing is, and this is how this my spa blade. It has 3 mouths. So to make life easy, what if you don't want to use a shaving cream, which some shaving cream later leave your hair white and all of that. So what I advise you do is to use a very mild toilet soap. Now firstly, you have to dip this toilet soap into water. So I just dip the toilet soap into water, assuming you have a lot of hair on your private area around here. What you do is to apply this soap on that part. Okay, now you, from the abdomen, which is up to your private area around here, you apply the soap and make sure it does not go dry. Okay, and this will help to soften the hair. Doing this, you're going to avoid any bumps or any rashes that would come after the shaving. There is no way you're going to do this and you have the after effect of the shaving reaction. Okay, so how you're gonna shave from the abdomen to your private skin around here, you're just gonna, you know, walk through your shaving stick down. All right, this would help. Now normally in waxing, you're supposed to wax up. Now if you're shaving, you should and must always shave down. If you're shaving your private area, you have to shave down. You don't shave it anyhow, like this. No, don't do that, because it's gonna bring out bumps, and that will result to some rashes, and that will result to some itchiness and all of that. So you must always take it down. Now on that down part of your private skin, you have to also shave it down. Okay, shave it down, and gently you shave down. I don't have hairs on my hand though, that just a little of them, you can see. Okay, so I'm just showing you an illustration using my hands. Okay, all right, so always remember to shave down and don't shave up anytime you're using a shaving stick, and you have to use a very sharp shaving stick. Okay, that will do the job more better. Okay, and that is the proper way to shave your private area, and that would help you in preventing any bumps, any rashes that might probably lead to cancer or whatsoever, itchy sensation and after shave reaction. You won't be having all those stuff when you shave in this proper direction. That is just a very simple way to remove it naturally and manually. Yeah, any way you would choose. All right, so if you do find this video interesting and helpful, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's if you're new, and also check out my vlog channel. There are tons of beautiful videos there. I'm sure you're gonna be loving that channel too. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, that way you won't miss any of my videos. So if you want to buy some natural beauty ingredients, you can do that on my website. The link will be at my comment section. There you can ask me all personal, private, curious questions you have. I'll be there to answer all of your questions. I'll see you soon in my next video, guys. Stay beautiful. Bye guys.